Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Since when who say ansem we? Emre bi atwam kana Japan this co position. Omo niam no mo nyina wo no lead crusade odi omo atam kan nsem anye. Efo omo ho ne ade saata no na nadom na na ebo. Wono omo na ekoba. Eniam boni nyina no lead ya no bekasa. Ene ma wo so nya 10 cents of kana Japan. But then the why sa niam ni nyina ti NDC. Ene the NDC ba power na hu say NDC ni break akra wom. Wan hwe betwe asede a afa de wo pese wo aside with them. Now no go one way. Now no more near what can no cast NDC for apart from maybe president and chief of staff and 1 or 2 ministers be a start be a one number majority in go and GM1 no more.
I see.
They say can as or fan into my prefer or na can Japan you be any diagram of you. When you be any diagram, no you be any band and then some go away. Moving big ambassador hotel.
Okay.
Breakfast. Because share me for you in the morning. Me do I go to a doctor. Me ko transfer me do no so on the channel for me no be so on what transfer o hu say me name squad yes me no transfer 3 o hu ya no ka ke channel ba ni ba go no let's leave this place because dangerous guys are around and then Saturday that's a Thursday chair we and I'm sorry here this me want transfer after no start conversation with your money ever what am I say it only obi ani dia grow fie wonim do o hye ne niam what ma sa na o hye ne ma the question is once o kasa ya nipa sabi ye football ni de nim samasa obi an ko kan sem papa na nanga NDC for no o sa ko fa be chem NDC ni bi import the contract $55 million
yes
and you are brand
yeah 10%
so there was 11% don't just 7
yes
what am I say oh you football ni samasa oh wa dia asma sa ko fa ba it's my man this for any genesis say when papa bi no dey papa bi ba fio
okay
and this na wo hihia mo hihia entoto amototo akasa on food soldiers we to take care of food soldiers asa nya kana Japan be dede and nkrofa beto aba ma NPP ye vote ye nyan no ye anko ye nim kra be gina ba bi gina mutimi mpaye on fa bibi papa bi amam wono ati wono ye kika no anya bi dia o say corruption onya bi eno ano no NPP buy obi na onya contract do check na Japan me ne wo ka say na no ne niabra wo ye say nyina e bia disika bia kam o pese tua no ni contract ka bia kam ne bia o pese tua no eno hu dede eno be ye dia favor NDC eno wie no bia of chief of staff na empanimfo no bia on say o me bia 2 weeks 3 weeks be tua no agi disika
na fundamentally nsem o rezi ye say na mo pese obeka mo campaign hu abra mama mo nkura bia ye didi na tem penifo bia didi na tem obobo odi nkura se che mensa bonso no mu ko kamo ni de keke ka ho se ne so ye nkomo a
o collection on team engrofo ani atem kana Japan so team de ni pani mo di atem on so boys on so clear bi pa o mu di bi so atem pa eye o mu bie mo pin edu ba na 50-50 match eti wo no ngrofo no wo no ebi afia wo ho no ebi ni o mu candidate no
okay
advantage o mu no o mu twa na effective ye no we already na what can some ayenka why niema ayenye ite no mutwa we ya oya no what am I say eti awi am mutu fa no nye yastic say ye di matem te ko mi kola di matem na wo ye panim na wo di kola atem kra Japan timi di matem wa di o mo ase nyina atem meboa nye kroma ne wo won na kra Japan ko jompianim ne sai ko jompianim ye tia o si ko jompianim ni sabia mu sabia nyaado ni titi se mango ni titi anta ukai o di na temwa those days o via na ni ajo ko na domo o so ye champion wa be bia no de ama o man pani John Dramani Mahama o di na tema so kai o di na tema na bro so John Mahama no buy no father for all no agya ni mam no agya e na eko eti kare Japan na say NDC for na wuso yo ni papa bi e no abek oni hwe obeye e yo no one personal gains eti no ensa onye ni pabi bi go mimi nim no yie alanche matanya ye nyina agya kana Japan so eso hu ala na say pretend say ese nyina na ye di ewu ni nyina be hye one side e di enke homo mi nya bibi but boni o di ala chamati nya kana Japan one of front to ade no ti say ni pa boni ni we na waba no o ye te say ono ye Angela na mo jeje ne so no mo forget no do ka nyina sabi hudu rather sem ni sika kakra kam no page anansa ne ye contract na ono contract bi ade ma na wanye because ani ma we na ma once wuntumi aho kire wo mu yi ene ma kitikiti we nim bi o because wuntumi de ono no ssb ye wo no agimi ofie dada
oh debi
antum de service to aso no
the same be dia wo de katania
one try you see na agina ma na nkwachi na no wo can see a say 100,000 acres of land 1 acre is saying how many plot? 400,000 acres of land. What they call a farm? What Jessica? Was in Suona, ebe say, and na River Jordan. And ebe say the whole 100,000 acres. What do you can say? Sandy people were not doing a juma. And you know, the obey be as I had the event of no, and see at the on the prison there. One go there, you go on our boy, not to say. We obey be and Fakwai, and when you see not getting money in Quenimu, when your people go to radio and TV, go take. What's again? I will check him. Sikana will get again out here. Wouldn't dear young police, yes, as equipment or toy, you know. We'll make sure so we can pictures in their money or their back, as in bag or their bread bank, no much share. In your way. Well, sorry, no, I'm calm down. So when I'm Techima, when I'm not a region, who's a farm in the Kozo. To a number who's a bit at 4 5 CFO more. No, Sano to Chayana or querying enough to go to Command Bank. Sandy Power, what must I say? Nipa and I doing was a criminal. Wouldn't you be a young Robbie Penn with my? It's the idea of defraud Ghana. Or just a we are the Enti you know, and the Canadian Japan don't know Nyansa Kakaria to Tonediano, and was sure that's over NDC. I'm NDC Abuano, it no Basano. But me, if I say I'm NDC for your way. Ye campaign, ye Mizamaniaka. Yet a Ghana, South Street Light, we 100 million street light. No, Yankaso Fanko Burkina Faso, Yanko. Yes, in Ghana. How much time a region, Canadian Japan in the year, only one light Coco Bomu, NDC buyer, as I know the Yanka.
Okay, Mammy Nasi, Joe.
Yes, sir.
Mammy.
Oh, MPP, you 2 MPP ni. Asabna mebe kaniti ni. Men sacrifice o political career. Men sacrifice o future in MPP. We ye day in MPP. We ye day in politics. We ye day ewa abrabom. Men sacrifice. Say we defend obia. MPP mono wenya ne hu say tam. Now so he is bent on destroying MPP. Men ya da mistake ne da. Kana Japan MPP mono ni obenya bia wenya view. Wenya ne hu say tam. Ono ane no mutom no so a taxi driver e wo US yasi. Ene kana Japan e billionaire. Kana Japan ye billionaire. US ya mete. Obi ani wa wachi taxi a wo even $10,000 at an account. Obi anu obetimi achi taxi e wo US ya ba be millionaire na kan pese billionaire na e Canada Japan e ye ne ye MPP adaro ma MPP na ama na ba be odefo a ene otimi tu ne ho se o wadan 278 or fleet of flashy luxurious cars but US ya be hwe fi Canada Japan wo ase nemba bra US ya be hwe school papa wo moko school fees akesi a otua Canada Japan because of MPP he will never go broke. Ondi hia da ne man di hia da na busiafo ndi hia da ne nananom ndi hia da. But who MPP youth, who MPP ni was on party for several years. You don't even own a bicycle in your name. Kioso kra umbobi. Aduma pakra wini biye. And you want to destroy your life, your political career. You want to sacrifice your future in MPP by defending obi or no when yan ho tam. I will say onu do best say MPP. Or my MPP in power beam. Oh, say our life. Some of you. More future CEOs, more future ministers, more future party executives, more MPP ba mama mwenya positions akese. I improving my brabo. Ama monso mabusia enya baby edum theater. And you want to sacrifice it to advance the parochial interest of Ubia or no on fan hon crab. Can I Japan MPP abem? Nanado time. Contracts are unya we energy ministry nkwa sika PM about 1 billion Ghana cedis. Only one kase yenke kan mabunu ni bimbom na yemfa contract ba kom mo no so munya bibi nya munya sika show mo botum. Contract or sika PM millions of Ghana cedis. One kada empo say me kwa kwahwehwe mabunu ba kom yenu miensa bi na me dey change your lives. You know they are so they told luxurious cars. We are no upon a home kakra no they are donation ya MPP. No a check cameras and central for no more publishing no the two who know the journey. He doesn't care about you watching. We are right now that can you pick phone to call Canada Japan and say on coming to your aid. Now bet me I sakra and consider ben now there will be who are beg. Rather say ube yusu energy. Edi aye campaign ama MPP. Ama MPP aba power na nso wanya bibia ye no. Udi ho. Udi social media na would defend you. Obi a wanya ne ho awi a on care about you. On fa ho. Our person was say MPP na edi yedie ebebro hwe. Omo mudi alliance machin echi koye. Ko check your my brabo. Majority of them oma make you 10. Aba back to MPP. You see, individuals will come and go. Individuals, they will come and go. But MPP will always be there. MPP will always be MPP. Now, yane say, would the individual be echi? Eko heti MPP, ye BBT MPP. Always, ye be yusu eti. People will remind you of that. Because had decided, ebe deny you opportunity was sefata. Opportunity a juma na as a position be a was sefata. People will use it against you all the time. All the time. Until we are babunu, we are party ni. At this juncture, at this point in our political life, in our party, nasa also defend the Japan. Me say jini hu mienu. Jini hu mienu, jini wa bra bom, jini wa nkasa o political career. Jini hu ye babuna, jini hu me. Party aye. There are people that I look up to. So for if at any point in time I'm more rebellion against MPP, I'm sorry to MPP, I will never follow them. I will always be loyal and committed to MPP. I will never follow you. Regardless of Papa why mommy. Who yes say would see MPP sweat you. I will never follow you. Until you baby. At this point, put your own life, your own political career, your own interest, your future ahead of everything. Prioritize that. And stop say we defend the Japan say we're investing in MPP. And Nipan clearly a chantro. And they say MPP. And you are defending him. Me say MPP. Can Japan to me MPP in the position 2029 yeah power. Regardless of new obey yeah power. Until we are MPP near. Reason up. Like wise up.